Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So here you can see it couldn't refresh feed on your Instagram app. So I will tell you how you can easily fix it. So first thing, mostly it happened because you have problems with your network. So first thing, just check your internet connection on your phone. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just open it. Just check your Wi-Fi network. Also you can try to turn it off and turn on again, so just reconnect to your Wi-Fi. And if you're using cellular data or mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Or also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have the server, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset. Sorry, not reset, but shut down. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, just try to make force restart on your phone. So no, it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you in example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. If you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So on this model of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here slide to power off and then black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button. It means that you successfully made force restart. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. And if you still have this error, so just go to the general again, just tap on software update and just try to update your, if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And also you can check your updates for your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update, and it means that you have available updates on your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.